every corner of the world, there are places that spark the imagination. But few countries hold as many contrasts, stories, and breathtaking wonders as China. A land where ancient empires once ruled, yet where futuristic cities illuminate the night skies. A country shaped by mountains that disappear into mist, rivers that flow like silver through green valleys, and cultures passed down through centuries. Here, the past and the future walk side by side. Here, nature and architecture tell stories older than memory. And here begins our journey, through the landscapes, legends, and living beauty of China. China, a land of endless discovery. A land where ancient and modern exist in perfect harmony. Stretching across mountains, deserts, and valleys, the Great Wall of China stands as one of humanity's greatest achievements. Built over centuries by different dynasties, it served not only as a defensive barrier, but also as a symbol of unity, determination, and resilience. Standing on its stone steps, the world becomes still. Clouds drift across distant peaks, and the wind whispers the stories of soldiers, traders, and travelers who once walked this very path. At sunrise, the wall glows in warm gold, reminding us why it remains one of humanity's greatest wonders. In the center of Beijing lies the Forbidden City, a majestic palace complex that once housed China's emperors. With its red walls, golden roofs, and vast courtyards, the Forbidden City is a masterpiece of architecture and cultural heritage. For centuries, ordinary citizens were forbidden to enter, giving the palace its legendary name. Today, it stands as a window into imperial life, a place where intricate carvings, shimmering tiles, and ancient halls tell the story of a powerful dynasty. The Forbidden City is more than a palace. It is a living museum, a place where China's stories, traditions, and legends still breathe. In the province of Hunan rises one of the world's most surreal landscapes, Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Here, tall quartz sandstone pillars rise straight out of the mist, creating a surreal world that inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Walking across glass bridges hundreds of meters high, or taking a cable car through the clouds, you witness landscapes so unreal that they feel like paintings brought to life. Zhangjiajie is nature's masterpiece, raw, majestic, and dreamlike. In southern China lies one of the country's most iconic landscapes, Guilin Yangshuo. Here, emerald rivers wind gently through karst mountains that rise like ancient guardians from the earth. A peaceful boat ride along the Lai River reveals scenes so breathtaking they have inspired Chinese painters for centuries. In the countryside of Yangshuo, rice fields reflect the changing sky, and traditional villages offer a glimpse into rural life where nature and culture remain deeply intertwined. Guilin Yangshuo offer something rare, a peaceful world untouched by time. In the ancient city of Xi'an, one of the greatest archaeological discoveries awaits. Buried for over 2,000 years, the Terracotta army guards the tomb of China's first emperor. Each warrior is unique, crafted with extraordinary detail, from facial expressions to armor and hairstyles. Standing before this silent army, visitors feel the weight of history and the ambition of a ruler who sought to protect his empire even after death. In the gentle landscapes of Sichuan lies Chengdu, a city known for its relaxed atmosphere, rich cuisine, and of course, its beloved giant pandas. At the Chengdu research base, visitors can observe pandas as they eat bamboo, play, climb trees, and interact with their young. The center is also one of the world's leading conservation programs, protecting a species that has become a symbol of peace and harmony. Chengdu is slow-paced, warm, and welcoming, a perfect reflection of the pandas that call it home. If China had a landscape painted by the gods, it would be Huangshan, the Yellow Mountains. Granite peaks rise through swirling seas of clouds, ancient pine trees cling to cliffs, and stone steps lead to viewpoints where sunrises look like scenes from a dream. Huangshan has inspired poets, artists, and travelers for over 1,000 years. To stand above the clouds is to feel as if time itself has stopped. In Yunnan province lies the enchanting Old Town of Lijiang. Its narrow stone streets, flowing canals, and wooden homes create a scene that feels frozen in the past. Lijiang is home to the Naxi people, an ethnic group with its own music, language, and traditions. Here, culture and nature exist in perfect harmony. Above the town stands Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, its snowy peaks reflected in clear lakes and green valleys. Lijiang is a place where every corner tells a story. Few places capture modern China like Shanghai. A city of glittering skyscrapers, neon lights, and endless energy, Shanghai is where innovation thrives. The skyline of Pudong, with its towering buildings and shimmering lights, stands in contrast to the historic Bund just across the river. Visitors can stroll along Nanjing Road, explore peaceful gardens hidden among the city's energy, or enjoy panoramic views from some of the tallest buildings on Earth. Shanghai is fast-paced, dynamic, and endlessly captivating. On Hainan Island lies Sanya, a tropical paradise surrounded by turquoise seas and palm-lined beaches. With warm weather year-round, coral reefs perfect for diving, and luxurious resorts overlooking the ocean, Sanya is China's ultimate getaway. Whether relaxing on soft sand, swimming in clear blue water, or hiking to panoramic viewpoints, Sanya offers a peaceful escape into nature. From ancient walls that touch the horizon to mountains that disappear into clouds, from vibrant megacities to peaceful villages shaped by centuries of culture, China is a land of endless wonder. Every region offers something new. Every landscape tells a different story. And every journey uncovers a piece of the country's vast, beautiful soul. Whether exploring its legendary past or witnessing its bold leap into the future, China inspires, surprises, and amazes in ways that stay with you forever. This is China, a journey you will never forget.